You guys, I got my quota bag in Paris. Stay tuned for that. Demain. I can't stop. I saw it and I got it. But when I saw it, I actually didn't love it as much as I thought I would. But I felt pressure that I had to get it. FOMO. I like this one, but I don't love it either. Oh well. Shopaholic. We got a Chanel Paris unboxing. A Chanel. A white refrigerator. A white refrigerator. Just kidding. A white Chanel bag. We know what that means. A Chanel Paris unboxing. We're doing it quick. I'm going to make this as quick as possible, you guys. A Chanel Paris unboxing. I could not. I just got back from Paris. I'm going to still be posting Paris content though because I'm behind, obviously. We know that. But I just got back from Paris and I could not go to Chanel. I was trying not to. I really was trying not to get anything from Chanel this time because, you know, I've already bought so much Chanel and also we know their whole, you know, and the whole, like, the quality's going a little bit, whatever. Their prices are going, and the quality, you know, the prices are going and the quality, so it's like, but anyway, I could not say no to these, and I also went and got one more thing for my friend, I actually went in because my friend had asked me to go get something for his girlfriend as a surprise for her birthday, so I got that, I unboxed that, I got that for him. I actually filmed a little quick video about it and posted it on TikTok and YouTube. I don't know if I posted it yet. I mean, I'll post it later. But I just did a quick what I got, why I got it, and blah, blah, blah about that bag, and I'll do that as a separate video. But I already gave it to him, so he has it now, and he's gonna give it to his girlfriend, and maybe I'll like get a little surprise video of that and show you her reaction, if you guys are interested. But these are what I got. So we'll do a quick Chanel unboxing, and then, yeah, I just could not. This is actually the least amount of Chanel I've ever bought, so that's good in Paris. I had to get it from Chanel Rue Cambon, obviously. Okay. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we have a really quick Chanel 31 Rue Cambon white bag, white box unboxing of 2 Chanel bags I got. So, and I'm going to try to make this a quick unboxing. I just got back from Paris and I just want to unbox these and show them to you and then go crash. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. And also, I have one more unboxing for you coming tomorrow, hopefully, from Paris, which is my quota bag. I got it! You guys, I got the quota bag in Paris. You guys, I got my quota bag in Paris. Next video, tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Demain. But for today, we're doing Chanel. Okay, also the whole Bethany Frankel thing, we have to talk about that too. I'm gonna do a separate video on that, but like what happened with her and not having an appointment and not being able to walk in and all of that. What, have you guys seen that? Go check that out on TikTok if you have not. She's literally making a whole series about it and it's hilarious how she's doing it, but go check it out. I will probably try to stitch it and post a TikTok about it as well. So we're doing Chanel unboxings. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. I know I cannot stay on topic. I probably have ADD or some other thing and whatever else. But anyway, okay. So I got 2 Chanel bags from Chanel. My SA had texted me about this one and I could not say no to it. Basically, I've been wanting this bag for a very long time in this style, in this shape and whatever. I've been wanting this particular bag for a very long time. I saw it and I got it. But when I saw it, I actually didn't love it as much as I thought I would. But I felt pressure that I had to get it because my SA had been holding it for me for 2 days. They couldn't hold it any longer. And like I said, I'd gone in to get my friend's bag for his girlfriend. So I went in, took a bunch of photos of the options and sent it to him, but I had to wait because of the time difference. So in the meantime, my SA had held this for me, showed it to me. I was like, I like it, I'll think about it. And my SA was basically like, you gotta take this, you have to. This is an impossible to get bag, they never have it. And yes, I have had it on my wish list, but I kind of wish I had got a different version of this. I kind of wish I got the all black version of this or the caviar version of this. But anyway, my SA was like, you have to take it. And then that thing happened again where I saw it in like a smaller part of the store where not a lot of people were. And then I tried it on and then I was like, let me think about it. And we walked around and as we were walking around, all the other SAs came up and were like, is your client getting that? I want that. And I don't know if that's planned or not, whatever. But it made me feel like I had to get it, like this urgency. And maybe it was a trick and maybe I fell for whatever that is, marketing or FOMO. But other people wanted it. I tried to see it again and I couldn't really look at it when we were in the bigger room with other people. So my SA was just like, just get it. And if you don't want it, give it to someone else. I'm pretty sure my mom actually wants this because my mom showed it to my mom and she actually got really excited about it. So I think I might just give it to her for her birthday. Or I gave her a Kelly to go for Mother's Day. So I gave her my Kelly to go for Mother's Day. We used all my Kelly to go unboxing. I ended up giving it to her, but we're gonna share it. Me and my mom share everything anyway. So it is, oh, I already unboxed it. It is the Chanel, it's a very, very hard to get bag. It's the Chanel mini classic flap in lambskin with caviar. No, in lambskin, black with champagne hardware, the mini size and the square. My hesitation about it was a square because it's a little tight for my phone. And my other hesitation about it was a lambskin because I don't always love getting lambskin. And my third hesitation is it's Chanel and whatever, the quality and everything like that. But I got it and now I have it, so I'm stuck with it. I think I'm gonna give it to my mom because she really, really did like it. And she wants a cute little black bag and she doesn't have it. She doesn't have a Chanel bag. So anyway, it's a black, it's cute, it's small, it fits all your essentials. My phone is a little tight in it, but whatever. And it's got a pocket, a slip pocket, a zip pocket, and a back pocket, okay? And it was still at Paris price, which in terms of like a classic bag, like a classic Chanel, because they did another price increase, is quite high. So this is getting a classic at less than half the cost of classic for just a little bit smaller than the small classic flap, right? And it got the same classic flap look. You're getting a classic flap, basically. I know the quality's not as great, whatever, but whatever, I got it. So that's that one. And then I got this the first day. And then I went, and then my friend decided on which one he wanted for his girlfriend. So I went back again, and my SA knows that I've been looking for an all black bag for a very long time. Again, I like this one, but I don't love it either. Oh well, shopaholic. I can't help myself. And I like this one, but I don't love it. What I want is a Chanel all black hardware caviar bag in a good size, like a rectangular mini flap. Or I would do gold caviar rectangular mini flap, which is a little bigger than the square, but caviar, which they don't really make right now, so I can wait. Or I would do another Chanel 19, but all black, or bigger Chanel 19, or something like that. Or a reissue. I kind of want to get a reissue at some point. I like it's a little more understated. But I really think I'm going to start looking into Chanel vintage, like either get something in Japan, resale or something like that, like an older, good quality, better quality, or whatever, like old quality, like Lagerfeld, real gold, whatever, that kind of feel. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. I got this. So now I'd asked both my essays for a all black, and she brought this out. And this is really beautiful. It's very beautiful. It's very luxurious to look at. So I kind of just like want to look at it. But basically it is the Chanel wallet on chain, and it's so soft and supple. It's like very soft. In lambskin, soft and supple, like my silver one, in all black. I mean, it's a beautiful bag. It'd be a great like evening bag, great like just like subtle bag. It's just really nice. And we know the Chanel wallet on chain doesn't fit a lot, but you can wear it a lot of different ways and it can fit enough, right? And I really do like the all black. Like there's just something really nice about it. It's very shiny. Something weird about this chain though. You hear that? It sounds like bugs. It sounds like bugs outside in the outside world, which is gonna annoy me a little bit about this. Because you're gonna hear it every time you touch it. Almost like a little bell on it. But I do love it. I'll give this to my sister actually. No, I won't, because she's not gonna care about this. Okay, yay! I know, this isn't the most exciting. I honestly am getting a little, whatever. I still love Chanel, but I do want to get something. I do want to wait for something. And I honestly, look, you guys, I do love Chanel, but I think now that I have so many Hermes bags, I really love Hermes more than anything else because the quality is unmatched. The feel, the luxuriousness of it, the touch, the feel, the smell, everything about Hermes bags I'm only reaching for those. I only want to use those. So even my Gara bags, I'm not even I'd always rather take my Birkin than my Gara bag. Granted, if I'm going to somewhere where I don't want to carry Birkin, then I won't. But for the most part, I'm not even reaching for my Gara bags that much anymore. I'm really just reaching for Hermes. And I got another amazing Hermes bag that I'm going to unbox for you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm going to do a full Hermes unboxing on Monday, but tomorrow I will unbox the Hermes bag I got. Yeah. So anyway, I'm just kind of not reaching for Chanel anymore. So it's kind of I don't know why I bought this. I just can't stop. I can't stop, right? But I do need to stop because I've spent way too much. And I think after this, I do need to take a break very, very soon. And I know I keep saying that, but I actually do need to take a break because now I'm hitting a point where I've spent a lot of money. And it's starting to stress me out a little bit of how much I spent. So I know I spent I kind of only want to spend now on Hermes. I think this is gonna be unless that Chanel bag comes in that I love and that I want, I'm gonna hold now. I'm gonna try really, really hard to hold on Chanel for that bag, and I will see it when I see it. When I see it, I know I will get it. There was one they had, but it was shiny patent leather. Last time I went, I almost got it, but I didn't. I don't want the shiny patent leather, but once I see the one I want, I will get it. But for now, after that, I think I need to on Chanel. Take a chill on Chanel. Chanel chill. Anyway, that's it. And just focus on getting Hermes bags because I love Hermes bags and I use all Hermes bags and I have so many that I got some more, you guys. I can't wait to show you the ones that I got. I will unbox my quota bag tomorrow for you. So stay tuned for that. And I will unbox the other bags that I got on Monday. Okay? We're making a pack Sunday and Monday, 2 Hermes unboxings for you from Paris. Okay? That's all I got. I hope you guys like these. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll do the other Chanel bag later. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. It's your time is valuable and your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.